U.S. nat gas prices are attempting to recover after significant losses on Tuesday. Gas futures traded above the $2.70 threshold, approaching again a six-month high of $2.90 hit at the end of May, driven by growing demand amid the onset of summer heat. Forecasts point to warmer temperatures across most of the United States, with the demand surging the most in Texas and the eastern region for June 3 to 9. Also, a high-pressure system is forecasted to develop over the western states later in the week, bringing hot conditions. Additionally, gas flow to LNG export facilities has been on the rise, especially with the Freeport LNG plant in Texas back in operation. Meanwhile, European nat gas prices have significantly impacted U.S. markets. Earlier this week, prices surged following a production outage in Norway. This disruption led to a 10% increase in Dutch TTF futures and a 15% rise in UK gas prices. The outage, caused by a crack in a pipeline from the Sleipner riser platform, underscored Europe's vulnerability to supply disruptions and their ripple effects on global markets. Consequently, there has been a rise in U.S. LNG exports to Europe. Tomorrow's EIA weekly storage report is expected to be bullish, projecting a level 20 billion cubic feet lower than the 5-year average. Nevertheless, the market reaction could be negative if the reported value is slightly higher than expected. Under current conditions, the U.S. nat gas market is expected to remain range-bound. However, a bullish trend could emerge if weather forecasts predict sustained higher temperatures or if significant production disruptions occur. Conversely, stable production and moderate weather patterns are likely to maintain the current equilibrium. Given the current market conditions, the short-term outlook for U.S. nat gas is shifting to a bullish stance. Natural gas prices are attempting to consolidate around the $2.70 level as traders assess current market conditions and await the next major catalyst to drive price action. With today's gap higher, we might be seeing the second phase of correction to a value area attractive to buyers. In case nat gas settles above the $2.70 threshold, it will move toward the next resistance level at $2.80. Please like and comment to support the channel. See you in the next one.